left JFK and I've arrived at MCO. I'm the NYC Traveler, and we're going to the Epcot International Festival of the Arts at Walt Disney World in Florida. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe. I'm taking my time getting to the Mears bus there because I'm not sure if I'm going to visit Universal or not. Let's see, am I going to pay for a Lyft or am I going to rent a car? I don't know, but I'm on my way to Epcot. After I do enough sightseeing in the airport, I do get to the Mears Connect, which you have to pay for. Pretty cheap though. Took the place of the Disney Magical Express, which used to be free. I'm staying at Disney's Boardwalk Inn Villas. I'm on the Villas side because I'm staying with my Disney vacation points. I don't know if I can afford to stay here if I was paying for it. Okay, how y'all doing? I am at Disney's Boardwalk Villas. I'm like so excited because I haven't stayed at the boardwalk in a long time. I was supposed to have a garden view. And let's see what we got. Oh, this is fun. It's cool. Oops, it's cool today. But that's the pool. And I'll come right out one of these doors and walk straight over to Hollywood Studios when I'm ready. That's the Swan and Dolphin over there. This is so great. I'm so excited. Looks like I have a balcony. The entrance to the balcony from the bedroom. Okay, so this is a Murphy bed. If we needed to, this would pull down, as you can see, but we're not gonna need it. And then we have a big, beautiful bathroom with a walk-in shower. Perfect. And oh, nice tub here. I think I'm going to turn off that, another fan. And let's turn this fan off. And huge. This is the 1-bedroom deluxe. And then here we are. Lots of sunlight can come in. Not too much of a view this way, but that's okay, because I have this. And it's a king-size bed. And this is great. I'm so excited. So I'm going to charge this very device that I'm using, and then I'm going to head over to Epcot. But this is the 1-bedroom deluxe. Full kitchen. Nice. Yep. Nice. Washer dryer. How cool is that? Storage area. Wow. Including a basket when you wash your clothes. That is awesome. There's your night lights here. And yes, the towel rack for your hand towels after you wash your hands. So the toilet is in the other room. There's a night light here too, so that's cool. And this was my balcony. As we saw before, it's coming out from the bedroom and come out from the other room there. Side had lights because when you turned out these lights, you couldn't do these individually. So you had this, and it could go that way. As you cross over this bridge here, the music changes to let you know that you're kind of in Epcot land rather than Boardwalk land. And this entrance is called the International Gateway. It's the
not what you would call the main entrance, but it's an entrance.
How we doing?
Hi, how are you?
Wonderful, you?
Just double checking. It works. Yeah, okay.
Have a great
Renewed
day.
it, so I wanted to make sure. Thanks.
All right, we walked all the way to the front of the park so we can get the signs that you see when you come in this part. Okay, let's get the sign. Cool. I'm here at the main gate, looking at the opening series here, the opening scenes, and I decided to do a little voiceover because the music was so loud. I had the mic attached to my camera, but the music was really loud and I wasn't speaking loud enough. Next stop, take care of business. Get my scavenger hunt map so we can look for Figment around the world, and to stop by the Coca-Cola Club Cool and get a little bit of a sample to get going. This is like a community mural. You get to paint some squares and you end up painting a mural with a whole bunch of people.
I think I'm going to get my mussels now. Grilling the mussels. So I got the mussels without the tomatoes because they might have been too spicy for me. But I can't wait to enjoy them. The noise you hear is that part of the eating part is in the where the playground area is. So parents can eat, the kids can play. Yep, I recommend the mussels. I'm in seafood heaven.
Okay, it's merch time for me. Am I going to buy anything from this festival? I need to first look to see what they have, and then throughout the week I'll decide if I'm going to buy anything. Alrighty, I come to the arts festival for the arts. So over near Club Cool, before I was getting my free sip of a soft drink, I saw these drawing on inspiration banners that were hanging. I am a behind the scenes type of person. I like to see how things came to be. So these drawings that they had there, they really were kind of cool when you could see how things used to be before they were built.
Hadn't ridden the ride in a while, so we're going on Nemo.
Okay, we're about to do the Finding Nemo ride. It's kind of cool. Cute, really. Not cool, cute. I already told you that I'm a behind the scenes type of person, and from a technical point of view, I really like this ride. I like the way they do the projections and how they create the illusion that you're under the sea as you're riding through as Nemo's trying to get back home. So my favorite part of the Seas Pavilion is the aquarium. Although there were a lot of kids there, it wasn't as peaceful as it could have been. Just watching the fish in the water, I kind of like that. And this is one of the largest theme park aquariums, so, you know, enjoy it. It's almost like really going to a museum. After that, it was back out of the Seas Pavilion and over to the festival exhibit. They had an exhibit last year regarding Disney on Broadway, and they did it again this year, but from a different perspective, and you can actually see what a stage manager does. They had this set up there. I was in behind the scenes heaven. I told you I love behind the scenes, and Disney, I did not know they were going to do this, and Disney came through for me. I know it wasn't for me. I just want to think that, okay? After that, I surely had to get one of the dessert treats, like that Be Our Guest thing with a glass of champagne. The Epcot International Festival of the Arts is just not all about the fine arts, but the performing arts as well. And I always enjoy the saxophonists. They have other acts too, besides music being played, but I like jazz, so I'm cool with this. I headed to the Odyssey Center, but I didn't get the popcorn basket. It was cute. He had a hat and his paintbrush allegedly lit up, but I didn't get it. So after looking like an idiot, waving my magic band around so that the thing would play, which it finally did, I decided to look at some more merch. And I bought a very expensive Whopper. I bought the Lorcana game. Now I gotta figure out how to play. Rather than go toward Mexico. I was on that side. I decided to walk across the other side, which was less crowded, and start looking for Figment. I started in Canada. I found Figment, and I resisted buying any merchandise in Canada.
Got some of the best merch in Disney. The Canada store. Epcot. I think it's so freaking cute.
I made my way around the world. As you can see, I'm between Germany and Italy. And then I decided to go on Test Track. I did the single riders line. I had not been on it since it had been refurbished. It was okay, but I missed some elements of the old Test Track. All of that is well and good, but what did I eat and drink? Well, it was chilly, so I had an adult hot chocolate and a rather yummy cake.
You have dessert before you eat some real food. Only at Disney.
I got the crab cake in France, which I really enjoyed. It was actually my second crab thing. I got the crab slider earlier over at Open and Bites, which was near the front of the park. I am ready to treat myself. Crab slider, the enchanted rose dessert, and the champagne. And it was a seafood day for me because I got the lobster salad in America. I ate my salad as I watched part of the Disney on Broadway concert series. Not the onions, though. Sorry. So it had been a really long day for me because I flew in so early in the morning. So after a while, I decided, you know what? I'm here for 6 days. I can get back to the hotel early. So I walked back from Epcot to the Boardwalk Villas. So freaking convenient. Oh my goodness. You really should stay on the boardwalk at least once. Alrighty, I'm the NYC Traveler. Follow my series at the Epcot International Festival of the Arts as I eat, drink, play, maybe a little shopping my way around the world. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe.